They told me the radio works. These are the old speakers. Can't imagine the sound that they made would be very pleasing. So today, pulled the windshield off, which wasn't too terrible, and then I pulled this plastic piece off and replaced the speakers. And as you can see, they are the El Cheapo Walmart $20 specials, but they got to sound better than my other ones. I got a new windshield coming, so had to take it off anyway to get the dash apart. The thing I really had a challenge with are these vents. Had to pry really hard, and I think I might have got myself in a pickle, because if you can see the inside of that, it's kind of falling towards the inside. I gotta figure that out, get that back out of there so I can put it back together. First things first, I'll tackle that, get the mirrors put back on, and it'll be a nice running machine.